So I'm gonna re-record that song. Um, Birds Out the Window. Yeah, you know that one? The one that I just posted on the new iMac. That thing. This thing right here. One recording. Dude, kick ass. All that we had, all that we were, all thrown away into the wind. And all that was said, and all that was done, all thrown away into the grave. You were my future, my past and the present, and all I ever wanted. And since I was a child, you let me go like a bird out the window. Like a bird out the window. And that was it too. Hope you enjoyed. I'll have that song done sometime by maybe March, because there's gonna be a open night mic, whatever, coffee house, whatever my school calls it. So that might mean I even might have the video from over there. Adios, people, and subscribe if you want to. Not that you do.